Hey, First Block, I want to apologize. I was off my rocker. I was not on my game. I made a mistake for our cooling problems, which I don't know. I was overlooking it so much, but this idea of the initial value, I was mixing up some 180s and 108s. But what I want to add on for these cooling problems, I think we're on track. Was we just have to use that initial value. That the A value isn't going to be that 180. That's totally my fault, and I think I was forcing some people like, well, it starts at 180, but that's saying that at zero it's comma 180, and then we have to make this go through. I think eventually it was 4 minutes. It had to go through 160. So we have to make a system of exponentials, and like I said, that's on my bad. When we got to the worksheet, that I still have this y equals a times b the x plus k, and we still wanted that to be 72, but I do have to plug in this initial value to find out what that a value is. So just an add-on for what we had yesterday, I'm going to go 180 times a times b to the 0th plus the 72. Again, why we have to do this is that shift of the asymptote wasn't compensated when I had that 0th term. And like I said, you can actually guess to the a value, because as you can see here, it's 180 equals a to the 0 is a plus 72. So really a is 108. So again, you could jump to the a value and kind of guess it. If they give you the 0th term, just take your y-intercept and subtract that 72, and that's what your a value will be. But we do kind of want to make a system of exponential equations that now that I have an a value, I can go 160 equals 108 times b to the 4th plus that 72 still. So if I work that out, I can rearrange my equation here by subtracting the 72 and the divided by the 108 to get to the b to the 4th. If I take the 4th root of that side, that b value was 0.95, and I might have led some of you astray. And that's, like I said, I'll admit when I make a mistake in here. It might be, yeah, it's 0.95 for that. So then eventually we can see what happens, or set it equal to and do the logarithms. I think we're all doing fine with that point. But that's my bad, that we do want to use that 0th term to find a different a value. So once you're good with this, then you're going to move on to the ambiguous case of side-side angle.